Dirt bike boys! Brandon and Caleb over on. Brandon over there, Caleb over there. Aiden wants to go get a turn, but right now, Odie did it. Kind of out of breath. I have been chasing him. Dirt bike boys! Dirt bike baby! Just because he's going slow, doesn't matter if he's going slow. Anything to that kid that's fun, it's fun. Riding off into the distance. They're gonna come back. Anyway.
What limit? Ay, tú no me estás lechando de que estás comiendo.
Dirt bike boys! Dirt bike boys!
No me estás guachando que estás comiendo.
The dirt bike boys!
Véndele. Ay, no te hagas la... Dale, ve.
Cool, the first ones to get in the grass. I'm gonna start running. Oh, I can just walk. Yeah. Oh, this poor dirt bike baby! Oh. Dirt bike baby. Dad? But he had fun. He just wants to have lots more. He could live on that thing. Carlos, it's my phone! And you better go tell Theo. I don't know. Check something. Big boy. Number 5. Number 5 wants to have a turn. Do you think he deserves one? He's gonna get a turn anyway. Here is dirt bike boy number 1. How did you like that dirt bike trip? How did Kitsia? How did you like that dirt bike trip? Get that out of your mouth, Brandon. I'm gonna tell your mom. It's not about you, Carlos.
I know.
It's not about. Well, it kind of is.
Brandon.
Stop.
This is all tackle.
Brandon, how did you feel about your dirt bike trip?
Cool.
Caleb, how did you feel about your dirt bike trip? Did you have fun on it with your daddy? Did you like it, Odie?
Yeah.
Aiden, did you like your trip? And he wants my phone. He wants my phone. Yeah, that's why I'm not giving it to him. You get your own phone when you're 5, okay?
Are you buying it?
Maybe. I got my first phone when I was 5.
It's gonna be 2.
I got my first phone when I was 5. Dirt bike baby number 4. Dirt bike baby number 4. Woohoo! Yeah.
Is that right now?
Dirt bike boys. I'm just doing it so this video can be cool. Well, My uncle Otio Odi is one of the 677.
Freddy. Now we can play Freddy.
They are insane with Freddy. The Dirt Spice Boys love
Now we can play Freddy.
but they tend to play around a lot.
Let's go play Freddy. Guys, get away from the cerca. Get away from the cerca. Freddy. Don't get eaten. Freddy. You get Freddy.
Well, I have to play Freddy with them, but I will be sure to update the next video in a couple minutes or hours probably. But be sure not to miss it. Okay, Carlos, Dirt Bike Boy number 5. It's going to be my 5th episode on YouTube. So, hello all you YouTubers.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Careful, and somebody has